Hello! I want to show you a game that came a couple of months ago called Ringo. It's a really nice game, and I will show you on a real CRT using SCART and RGB out from my Spectrum. I will just show you my ZX Spectrum Plus 2, and I have this div IDE interface to load games, programs and stuff like that. That is really handy to have. And okay, I will just adjust the camera a little bit, and there we go. So here is Ringo. It's fantastic that they can do something like that. It looks so colorful, and first of all, it's really fun to play. So you just move back and forward and jump, this normal stuff, and if you press the button you can build, and you get the key and you go out. That's what all levels is about, is just to find the key and get out. So here is the build a bridge to go further. So you know, you press the button. If you press the button you will build like this cube, and if you press it again it will disappear. But you see, and here you see a cracked cube, so if you push the button there you will crack it again, and then it will disappear. So this is how, of course it's getting more and more difficult. Here you have watch your head. You see the cracked cubes up there. So you're building and you're cracking the cubes. You can also crack other cubes. Not the one like that, but... And you see the bird here, you can go down like that. And you can also put a cube, then it will stop the bird. So you see... Here it is. Alright, it's fantastic, and you have unlimited with lives. It's not like you are going to play for start after losing some lives, so that I think that is brilliant. Look behind for top blocks. That means that some of the stuff like key, you also have stars here. You see L for level, stars. So the key is behind a block. Ah, there it was. You know, starting easy, it's getting more and more difficult. And hold down key to jump off platforms. So like here, you know, holding down you will jump off. Now. Alright. But the graphics people, wow. Huh? It's amazing. I'm stunned by the graphics. Everything with this game is, the music, everything is great, but yeah, how they did that, and so colorful and everything. I don't know, it's quite amazing. So, okay, how was this? The key is up there, okay. Then you have to go there on the side. There's a new monster. You can jump over that one, or you can also block it. But it is just... Oh! There's coming one on both sides. But this game, you just have to check it out. Ringo, I put a link, and you have to test it. It's real fun. I cannot say anything more. It's just you have to try it yourself. All right. Have fun, guys. Bye bye.